All right, let's just jump right in. Look, whether you're a student completely buried under a mountain of lecture notes or a professional trying to juggle a dozen different projects, you know that feeling, that information overload. Today, we're going to break down how you can use a couple of really powerful AI tools from Google, NotebookLM and Gemini, to turn all of that chaos into your own strategic advantage. And this quote from Android Police, it just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? We have all been there. You've got project docs in one folder, your meeting notes are in another, there are crucial PDFs just sitting on your desktop, and who knows where you bookmarked that key website. It's just exhausting, and it's totally inefficient. But what if you could actually tame that digital mess? Seriously, what if you could take all those scattered files and links and turn them into one single, intelligent, conversational knowledge base? Well, that's the big problem we are solving here today. We're talking about going from total digital chaos to having structured clarity. So, let's kick things off with our foundational tool, NotebookLM. Now, try not to think of it as just another note-taking app. It's way more than that. It's like a virtual research assistant that you get to train, making it an expert on one thing and one thing only: your documents. It creates this private second brain, and the key thing to remember is it only knows what you teach it.
And building this so-called second brain, it is incredibly simple. You just create a new notebook for whatever project or subject you're working on, you upload your sources, and I'm talking PDFs, Google Docs, even web links and transcripts from YouTube videos, and then you just start asking the questions. That's really it.
And this right here, this is the core concept. Just imagine if you could actually talk to your chemistry textbook. If you could ask it, hey, explain the Krebs cycle, but only use the info from chapter 4. That's exactly what NotebookLM does. Its answers are always grounded in your materials, and it even gives you citations so you can trust what it's saying.
But that's just step one. Where this whole thing gets really powerful is when you combine NotebookLM's expertise with the raw creative horsepower of Google's main AI, Gemini. This is like taking your research assistant who has perfect memory and giving them a direct line to a world-class creative partner.
Now, to really get this, you have to understand their different strengths. NotebookLM, on one hand, is the grounded expert on your stuff. It's super accurate, it gives you citations, but, it's limited to only what you've given it. Gemini, on the other hand, is the creative expert on pretty much the world. It's so expansive, but without that grounding, it can sometimes, well, let's be honest, it can hallucinate or make stuff up. This integration solves the problems of both at the exact same time.
And you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds complicated to set up. Nope. Connecting them is so simple. Inside a totally normal Gemini chat, you just click that little attachment icon, you select NotebookLM, and you pick the notebook you wanted to focus on. All of a sudden, Gemini isn't just pulling from the entire internet. It's talking directly to your personal curated library.
Okay, theory time is over. Let's get practical. How does this actually work in the real world? We're going to walk through two really powerful workflows, starting with one for any students out there who want to absolutely crush their exams. So the process kicks off with ingestion. You create what some people are calling a mega notebook for your course. You upload everything, the textbook PDFs, your lecture notes, any study guides you have. Then you tell it to generate study aids. And finally, you use those materials that the AI just created for you to quiz yourself and really lock in that knowledge.
And this is where you get that aha moment, because you're not just getting some boring old summary. You can ask for very specific, super high-value study aids that are actually proven to improve how well you remember things. For instance, you can use this exact prompt. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, the Cornell note-taking system is this classic, time-tested method that forces you to actively engage with your notes. So by asking the AI to structure everything this way, you're basically turning a passive document into an active recall machine.
And here you go. This is what that looks like. Over in the left, you get these cues and questions that you can use to quiz yourself. In the middle, you have the core notes. And then right at the bottom, a nice, concise summary. The AI does all the heavy lifting and structuring for you, so you can spend your valuable time actually learning, not just organizing.
Okay, let's switch gears. We're moving from the classroom to the professional world. This next workflow is for anyone out there who's trying to connect their big, long-term goals with, what they're actually doing every single day. The setup is pretty similar. You create a notebook, you upload your high-level strategic docs, think Q3 goals, project plans, things like that. But then, you add a new layer, a secret ingredient. You export and upload your calendar data. This grounds your big plans in your real-world behavior, and that allows for some incredible analysis. And then you can ask a truly powerful question like this one. What you're doing is asking the AI to cross-reference your actions, what's in your calendar, with your intentions, what's in your goals document. This is how you move from just having goals to having a data-driven strategy for actually hitting them.
And this process, it can uncover some really powerful, actionable stuff. I mean, the AI might point out that you're spending 60% of your time in meetings that have nothing to do with your top priority. Or it could identify these recurring tasks that you could probably delegate. It gives you this clear, objective look at where your time is really going.
So, with all that said, it's really important to understand what this tool is actually for. This combo is an absolutely incredible personal productivity engine. It's your thinking partner for research and strategic analysis. What it is not, though, is a business automation tool. It can't go update your CRM for you. It can't process a refund. It's built to help you understand, not to take actions in other apps. And that brings us to our final thought here, which is a real mindset shift. The power of these tools isn't just about capturing information a little more efficiently. It's about fundamentally changing your relationship with information itself. So what if you just stopped taking notes, and instead, you started actively building your own personal, intelligent, searchable database? Think about that.